What's up everybody, CPL, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we are going to learn about what is wireframe, types of wireframe and the best practice for wireframing. So wireframing of the website is the simplified visualization of the basic structure, or perhaps we may call it the skeleton of website or app. Wireframes of the website are something that gives a clear picture of regarding the usability. Styling is very important, but at the beginning of the design it can be a bit distracting. So it can shift the focus from functionality to something fancy like color or picture. Because wireframes is so simply, it keeps focus on the important issue like website functionality and usability. And user experience, there are considerably two levels of wireframing. The first one is low fidelity wireframing and the second one is high fidelity wireframing. In low fidelity wireframing, UI elements are presented with gray shapes like rectangle and circle or just simply lines. And in a high fidelity level, the UI gets a little bit more detail like brand logo, actual text texture or shadow or so and so. In the case of text content, always try to be real content which will finally be on the main website instead of Lara Mapleson. By this you can get a real perspective of design. Now let's talk about the best practice for wireframing. So the first rule here is about aesthetic, and that is to keep it simple. I mean really simple. You should not use any color rather than white, black and grey. Use at most two fonts all over the design. And of course use a simple font like Roboto or Plato. Nothing fancy represent graphics and image with boxes. Wireframe is the stage where you consider screens wireframe all the version of the design for different types of devices, either for desktop or mobile or tablet. Also, you have to consider the orientation of these smaller devices like phones or tablets. You also have to keep in mind context of the user of the particular device. At the end, whatever technology or software you use, there are nothing better than a simple pen and paper. If you want to design a UI, go traditionally. Always start on the good old paper with a pencil. So there you go. So that's everything about wireframing, like what is wireframing, types of wireframing and best practice for wireframing. So that's it for today's video and I will see you guys in the next one.